For 7 years, we've grown together as a family, not just in numbers, but also in spirit. For 7 years, we've walked in hope, love, and purpose. For 7 years, we have witnessed God's faithfulness. For 7 years, we've embraced transformation. For 7 years, we've seen breakthroughs beyond measure. For 7 years, we've been blessed with a pure heart seeking God's will. For 7 years, we have been united in our journey, and the best is yet to come. Our journey began in a small house where faith and the hope of glory ignited our path. From those humble beginnings, God has led us to become the vibrant, family-oriented church.
Our church is more than a place of worship. It's a family where every person is valued, every story matters, and every prayer is heard. Together, we have faced challenges and celebrated breakthroughs, always keeping our hearts pure before the Lord.
These perfect 7 years have been a season of growth and transformation. We have witnessed the power of God moving among us, breaking down barriers and leading us into new beginnings.
As we look to the future, we remain committed to our calling. With pure hearts, we continue to seek God's presence, knowing that He is faithful to complete the good work He has started in us.
As we celebrate, let's lift our voices in praise and worship, rejoicing in all that God has done and all He continues to do in our lives. On this 7th year of Christ in you, San Luis, we are truly envisioning Christ in every heart.
mababago. Kahit di hintayin ang may tagumpay, pagkat pag-asa ko ay nasa'yo. Tatakbo, ngunit di mahahapo, lalakad at di mababago. Kahit di hintayin ang may tagumpay, pagkat pag-asa ko ay nasa'yo. Katulad ng agil ay tayo na lang, nang may panibagong sigla. Ako ay agil at tayo na lang, nang may panibagong sigla. Ikaw ang hari na nagtutulak sa akin, sa ibabaw ng bagyo na nagagalit. Huwag kang tumingin ka, tulad ng agil ay tayo na lang, nang may panibagong sigla. Ako ay agil at tayo na lang, nang may panibagong sigla. Ikaw ang hari na nagtutulak sa akin, sa ibabaw ng bagyo na nagagalit. Huwag kang tumingin ka sa panibagong sigla. Pwede mo ba natin patuloy na ipalakpak ating mga kamay? At sa serviso ang tatakbo pero hindi mahahapo, lalakad pero hindi mapapagod para sa ating Panginoon. Tumingin ka sa tumakbo. Tatakbo, ngunit di mahahapo, lalakad at di mapapago. Naghihintay ng may tagumpay, pagkat pag-asa ko ay nasa'yo. Tatakbo, ngunit di mahahapo, lalakad at di mapapago. Naghihintay